Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fatina Bila binti Ismail. My matrix number is 262842. Okay, now I will present for formative evaluation and I will start with introduction first. Okay, now I will start with introduction first. Okay, the purpose of formative evaluation is to get a comment or a feedback from our expert review. We choose 3 expert review, which is lecturer from SMMTC, and then one of UMIT staff, and the last one is senior student from IT. Okay, the feedback is all about our interface design, and then functionality, and the last one is usability. Okay, overall of this formative evaluation will be gathering, and from this review can help us to make an improvement to our project, which is easy note taking. Okay, the method that we use in this formative evaluation is we do an interview session, which is we have set the date and time to proceed our interview, and then we have briefing our project, and then we have show our prototype, and then proceed with interview question. We have the content that include in our interview protocol is interview session that we have intro ourselves first, and then title projects, basic information about our interview, introduction before we start interview, and interview content question that we divide into 3 parts, which is the first one is for functionality, and then interface design, and also usability. The next part I will present is the respondent. In this formative evaluation, we have choose 3 respondents from lecturer of SMMTC, which is Encik Hadi Abdul Razak, and then we choose one of staff UMIT, which is Encik Nazri Aziz, and the last one is senior student from IT course. Okay, we choose them because we believe that we can get all the feedback and comment that can make us improve our prototype. This is because we know that the 3 expert review have the knowledge of developing application, and we want to know whether it is suitable or not to our user, and want to know what is the element that's still lacking in our project. Now we move to the procedure part. Okay, in this part we have 4 procedure. The first one is briefing, and then show the prototype. The third one is asking interview question, and the last one is debriefing. Okay, before we start our interview session, we have set the date and time, and also set which platform that we want to use, whether through WhatsApp or Webex application. Okay, in the interview session, we have made some briefing to give a description of our title project, which is easy note taking. And then after that, we show our prototype that we create in PowerPoint. And then for the third procedure is asking interview question that we divide into 3 parts, which is the first one is for interface design, and then functionality, and the last one is usability. Okay, the last procedure is debriefing. After we get all the comment and feedback from our expert review, we end the question session with the expert with by saying thank you, and then we will begin to analyze the data that we obtain through the expert review. Now this is the analysis and result part. Okay, in this part we have get all the comment and also feedback from our 3 expert review. If you see here, we have put several comment from our expert review, which is use the suitable color scheme for the correct target user, which is students, and then interface design are not interesting and need to choose a right theme, which is color theme should same from the beginning, and then color use are not interesting and make people lazy to open this app, and so on. From all the comment and feedback that we get from our expert review, we can analyze that most of them give a general comment when they have finished test our prototype. But what answer that we get from them can give us some idea and also what aspect that we can improve in our project. Based on the comment or feedback, we have looked at most of the comment is about we need to improve our interface design. This is because our interface design are not interesting and we should change to the suitable theme, especially the specific theme for color. And then this is because it can make user interesting with our application and they feel not bored to using our apps. After that, we have learned from our expert review on how to choose a best color scheme for the correct target user. And then we also should change our icon to the specific icon image, or we have to put some information below the icon. This is because not all users understand what the icon image is.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Tashika Antuan. My ID matrix number 262053. So I'm going to continue for the instrument, feature work and also conclusion. So in instrument, the tools that we use is interview session, which is giving the interview question, and we use 3 dimensions of collecting data, which is functionality, interface design and also usability. For functionality, we are talking about the functionality of each button in the application. For the interface design is we are talking about the design of application interface that we has applied in, and the third one we are discussing or interviewing about the usability, the running abilities on the application. Next is feature work. So in this section we'll show about the data analysis that we have observed from the interview session from our expert review. So as I said previously, we're using 3 dimensions, which is functionality, interface design and usability. So in this section, we'll explain the improvement that we will apply in our project. So for functionality, we will do the improvement in function of button edge interface and also the navigation of application. Since our expert review been comment on this part, so we will improve for the function of button edge interface. We're going to make sure that the button are workable, and for the navigation, we will adding the navigation in each button because the user didn't understand what exactly button work for. So based on our expert review, they said we need to adding some navigation so that the user will need to understand what exactly the button is. And the next one is interface design. So in interface, we will improve on 3 sections, which is in design, each interface, colors, font. So for the design interface, we'll make it more interactive by adding or changing the structure. And then for the colors, we will change some colors for the interface because based on our expert review, they said the colors that we applied didn't really attractive to users, so it's kind of dull, so we're gonna change it soon. And for the font, we also have the expert review also has commented on this section, which is we need to change it to the suitable font and make the font more attractive so that the user more happy to use our application. And the last one is usability. So in this dimension, we will improve for the collection of theme, which is we're gonna adding some more theme inside the collection in the application. So for the conclusion, this formative evaluation purposely is to find and fix problem with an existing product in order to make it usable and valid to user. So in our project, we have been doing an interview session with some experts that's related in this field to review our high fidelity prototype. There are 3 experts we have been chosen. First is lecturer from School of Multimedia Technology and Communication, which is Dr. Hadi, who expert in mobile application and designing interface. And 1 UM staff, Encik Nazri, who work as team in customer service and support CSS. Also another one expert from senior student of information technology, Shafika, who have experience in developing application mobile using software such as Android Studio and Flutter for FYP final project. by that, in our project, we decided to call in for expert to review or giving their feedback on our project. So the result from the interview session has helped us to analyze the problem that occur in our project, especially related with the functionality and the design that we applied in. More than that, we have acknowledged some ideas from the expert on how to overcome the issues that have been pointed out in the interview session. So I think that's all for me. Thank you.